The Microsoft Surface Laptop 13-inch 2025, with its Snapdragon X Plus processor, is a bold leap into the future of computing. With Windows 11 Copilot Plus integration, this device offers a seamless blend of power, efficiency, and intelligence, designed for users who want more than just a laptop. Whether you're a student, professional, or creator, this laptop promises to keep up with your demands, all while staying slim, light, and stunningly portable. At the heart of the Surface laptop is the Snapdragon X Plus, an 8-core chip that brings the power of AI to your fingertips. With up to 45 trillion operations per second, this processor ensures smooth multitasking, swift app launches, and responsive performance, no matter the task. While traditionally, Snapdragon chips have been known for their efficiency rather than raw power, this new iteration is tailored for modern users who value both performance and battery life. Whether you're tackling office tasks, running creative software, or enjoying media, this processor holds up impressively well, offering a balance that's ideal for everyday use and light productivity workloads. Coupled with 16 gigabytes of RAM, this laptop can comfortably handle multiple applications at once. Browsing with dozens of tabs open, running office suites, and even some light video editing or photo manipulation tasks will feel snappy with minimal slowdowns. The 512 gigabyte SSD storage ensures that boot times are fast, and your files load almost instantly, providing an overall smooth experience. The SSD also delivers faster read and write speeds compared to traditional SATA storage, making everything from large file transfers to system updates feel much quicker. The 13-inch PixelSense touchscreen display is one of the highlights of the Surface laptop. With its vibrant colors and crisp details, this screen makes everything from office work to movie streaming a pleasure. The resolution is sharp, offering a clear view of even the tiniest text, and its color accuracy makes it a great choice for content creators who need a reliable display. If you're into digital art, photo editing, or simply enjoy vibrant visuals, this screen won't disappoint. Its 120 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and touch gestures feel ultra smooth, and the brightness levels ensure visibility even in well-lit environments. While the screen is not OLED, its performance rivals many other displays in this range, providing excellent contrast and color saturation for both work and entertainment. Battery life is another strong suit. With up to 23 hours of usage, the Surface laptop is designed to go all day without needing a charge. This claim is not just a marketing buzzword. During normal use, it easily delivers close to this, allowing users to work or stream video for hours without having to reach for the charger. Even under heavier loads, you can expect solid battery performance, making this an excellent choice for those who need reliability on the go. And when it's time to charge, the laptop refills its battery quickly, making it convenient for those brief charging breaks throughout your day. In terms of portability, the Surface laptop is a standout. Weighing in at just under 2.5 pounds, it's light enough to carry around all day without feeling like a burden. The slim design also means it can easily slip into most bags, making it a great companion for students and professionals who need a laptop that can go wherever they do. Despite its thin profile, the build quality feels solid, with the premium finish giving it an elegant look that's both sleek and durable. The keyboard and trackpad are well designed for comfortable typing and precision navigation. The keyboard offers just the right amount of key travel, providing a satisfying typing experience for long sessions, and the trackpad is large, responsive, and accurate. The absence of a dedicated number pad may be a minor downside for those who often work with numbers, but for most users, the layout should be more than adequate. Connectivity options are straightforward yet reliable. You get 2 USB-C ports, one of which supports Thunderbolt 4 for fast data transfers and connectivity to external monitors. There's also a USB-A port for legacy peripherals and a headphone jack for audio. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast and stable internet connections, while Bluetooth 5.1 supports a wide range of wireless accessories. While some might miss the inclusion of an SD card reader or full-size HDMI, the USB-C ports make up for this with their versatility, offering fast charging and compatibility with docking stations and external displays. When it comes to thermal management, the Surface laptop stays cool under most normal tasks, with little to no fan noise during light use. Under heavier workloads like video editing or gaming, the fan kicks in but remains relatively quiet, ensuring that you can work or watch movies without distraction. The laptop's slim design doesn't cause it to overheat easily, but you may notice slight warmth on the keyboard deck after extended use. As for gaming, the Surface Laptop isn't built for high-end gaming. While it's capable of handling casual gaming and some less demanding titles, don't expect it to run the latest AAA games at high settings. Its Snapdragon X Plus is designed for power efficiency, and while it does a good job with productivity tasks, gaming performance will be limited. However, for casual gaming like indie titles or lighter games, you can still expect solid performance at 1080p, but don't expect to max out settings on more demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Call of Duty. In terms of value, the Surface Laptop 13-inch offers a solid package at a competitive price point for its features, especially with its excellent battery life and AI-enhanced performance. It's an especially strong contender for those who want a portable, powerful laptop for office work, media consumption, or content creation, but don't need the raw gaming power or heavy multitasking capabilities of a more specialized machine. If you're after an ultra-portable device that balances power, portability, and battery life, the Surface Laptop fits that niche perfectly. While there are competitors with stronger processors or gaming chops, few manage to combine all-around versatility with a premium build like this one. In the same price range, options like the MacBook Air 2025 or the Dell XPS 13 are worth considering if you prioritize macOS or a more traditional Intel-based processor. But for Windows users, the Surface Laptop's AI-powered features and overall design make it a solid contender. In the end, the Microsoft Surface Laptop 13-inch 2025 stands as a great option for anyone looking for a sleek, powerful, and intelligent device that performs well in everyday use without breaking the bank. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, this laptop offers a balanced combination of power, portability, and battery life, making it an excellent all-around choice. Thanks for watching. The link to get this laptop can be found in the comments box below. Feel free to drop any questions or share your experiences if you already own this laptop. See you next time on Reviewsinside TV, where we keep you in the know with the latest tech reviews. Take care.